in Diamond Tree. So you have created some content or adapted some content and you've sent it to your clients or you've sent it to your team. They've started to interact with it. So they've started to fill out assessment questions, etc. And now you want to look at their responses in a report. So every single gem that's on your My Content here, if you click on the little gear, you'll see this response report choice. So that's one way to get to the response report for a given gem. Another way is if you look at the activity feed, sometimes you'll see someone completed a gem or maybe they just submitted a response, and those items in this activity feed are clickable. So I can just click on this directly, and this is going to take me directly to that leadership styles report. On this report, I can see, okay, these are the people that have completed at least a portion of the assessments in this particular gem. I can see the percentage of completion. I can see when they last submitted something. I have their email addresses. So if I want to maybe send them an email to remind them, hey, we have a meeting coming up. Could you please complete this or whatever? That's all right there. There's only 6 responses here, but this report can have a lot of different responses on it. So if you need to isolate a particular response, you can just click on someone's name and it'll isolate their particular answers. And you click on that name again and it will show everyone's answers again. So the other thing about response reports is you can actually share these. So if I want to share this response report, I can just click on here, copy this link, and I'm going to open up Firefox here. And so this is a different browser. This is what someone would see who clicked on this link, whoever I sent it to. And again, you can see it's basically an almost an exact copy of the report. There doesn't have some of the information, but you don't even need to be logged in or have a Diamond Tree account to access this. So anyone who gets this link can automatically see this. So one scenario that you might have is, let's say you're doing some in-person workshop and you're having people fill out stuff on Diamond Tree as part of the workshop, and you want them to be able to see each other's responses. That's something that you want to see. You want them to see each other's responses. Then this is a time where you might then send them this link, and then they click on it. Now they have access to the report, and they can see not only what they said, but they can see what are the other people in the workshop said. So that's to share all the different responses. In addition, you have this filter by collection. So in the distribute, we talked about using collections to group people together. So this is one of the reasons you do that. So now you can see, okay, I have spring 2021. So when I select that, the report filters down to just the people that access the spring 2021 collection. That's how they signed up. If I choose the fall 2021, it'll change it to just the people that are fall 2021. So this is, again, how I automatically group these people together by using collections. Then if I want to share the responses of only the people in the collection, you can see I have this share right here. And this is the one that's down here by the filter. It's not the one that's up here. This one, you can see, says it just shares the response report for this gem, but only the users that came in through this collection. So, and I'm going to copy this link. And I'm going to, again, see what this looks like if I give this to someone else. And you can see now, instead of all 6 responses, now I only see the 3 responses that are from the people in that collection. So that is the reason you want to use collections if you need to divide people into groups. So that's the basics of using response reports in Diamond Tree.